So guys, the first thing we need is our chia seed. Chia seed contains fiber, protein, magnesium and calcium, along with plenty of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acid. The chia seed promotes digestive health, improve heart health, balance blood sugar, build strong bones, enhance weight loss and fat burning. Guys, there's a lot of benefit in this chia seed. So right now, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how to mix it to get maximum result for it.
Once again,
we need is our cup. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed, just 1 tablespoon into the cup, and I'll add my hot water. You can see it's very hot. I'll stir it like 3 minutes. Just keep on stirring it for 3 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes, after 3 minutes, I'm gonna set it aside. So guys, the next recipe we need is our lemon. Cut it. Just this is enough. Then I'll squeeze it because what I need here is lemon juice. So this is it. I'll set it aside. Okay, this after 1 hour. You can see how it is. So right now I'm gonna set it aside and I'll bring my bowl. I'm going to use low fat yogurt. So you can go ahead, if you have your Greek yogurt, anyone that you have that is low fat, you can go ahead and use it. So I'm gonna put 1.5 cups of low fat yogurt into the bowl. So this 1.5 cups of low fat yogurt. So then I'm gonna add my chia seed into it. So I mix everything together. So the next I'm gonna add is our lemon. Remember I cut half lemon, this remaining half, so I'm gonna put the half that I squeezed the lemon juice into it. I'll mix everything together. I'll make sure it's well combined. If you want to lose weight, keep in shape, this is exactly what you need. This works like magic. It works so well, guys. It works so well. So you just mix everything together. So guys, that is it. So right now I'm gonna pour it straight to my cup. The quart I'm gonna use, add the one I'm gonna take right now into my cup. This is exactly what you need to just reduce that fat and just keep in shape. If you want to keep in shape, you don't just reduce that fat, this is what you need. You just drink it 2 times a day. Make sure you drink it 2 times a day, first thing in the morning and last thing at night. If you want to go to bed, you just take 1 cup of it and drink. When you wake up in the morning, you just take 1 cup and drink. Honestly, this thing works, guys. When you do it consistently for 1 good week, you're gonna see a maximum result. Take all the fat in your tummy, in your arm, and just keep you in shape. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. It's okay. If you know you cannot drink it this way, you can go ahead and put your honey, but I prefer it this way. Wow.